lot of people don't know that homes in Topanga were lost, but the fire raged all the way up the canyon and burned our house. We received a call from a neighbor on the morning of the 8th around 9 a.m. and he said, "Hey, your house is gone." And that's one of the weirdest things to hear, because you're like, where? Like, what do you mean my house is gone? So it wasn't until somebody who was an arson watch, who was a friend, sent a video driving by, that we only saw the door frame standing and nothing else. And we realized, all right, our house is gone, and it's time to grieve, but it's also time to get to work. The community that is here, the people who would meet at my mom's house for Buddhist meetings and gatherings and different things. I mean, it was really a community space. It's so much more important than just our, living quarters. That type of community is not something that you can just pick up and leave and drop in somewhere else and find.
We meet every Mondays, and sometimes, a lot of times, when one of the community members is having issues, we'll meet and we'll chant. I did my mom's memorial service here with the Buddhist community, and we had over, 150, 160 people.
16?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. So every two cells, you put a rebar?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. We are reconstructing this house. It's so exciting. It's actually the design is underway, and we're in a permit phase right now. And once construction started, it can be finished in 8 to 12 month period, maybe even faster. The people need to get back to their home at least what they had before. Cannot compromise to bring in some pre-made box structures and stuff like that. I think it's very important to be able to get back to their life,
While the layout's similar, because Kit, 2 days before the Army Corps of Engineers came to remove our foundation, told us, hey, let me do some testing, and figured that we'd be able to save the foundation. Because of that, inevitably, the design of the house is based upon what we had before. From day one, it's all been about how do we rebuild and how do we find the best path forward. And that's why I'm grateful for Miyamoto's involvement here, because every step of this process, we have a trusted partner, people we can lean on, and really people who I feel are committed to the same end goal as us.
Making a fire resistive is not so complex. It's really important to have the envelope, which means the wall of the roof, to be fire proof. That's important. So using the plaster, you can use the steel stick frame, wood frame, by using the plaster to have the 2 fire rate, using the metal roofing system, and having all the ventilation to be closed off, or can be closed off during the fire, and also having a window to be double pane, and an active fire fighting system, such as we're gonna have a water cannon system, which can use the pool right here. That's only small pool, about 5,000 to 6,000 gallon pool, but that's enough actually to provide the effective water dome, essentially, moisture dome around this whole property to protect this house from a future fire.
No matter how much we've lost, there is still home here. And I think that you guys at Miyamoto have been a really big part of us continuing to believe that.
And we couldn't have asked for a better partner.
No.
Couldn't have.
No, literally.
As a company and personally, this is a very personal project, and Build Back LA is our mission and my mission, and because people need to get back to normal lives, and that's why I'm here.